Hi everybody, my name's Matt.Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters today to show you a really cool trailer. Now this is an ultralight trailer with a lot of room, and it's called an Apex Nano. This is the 191 model, and I'm going to show you some stuff inside that we'll come take a look around outside. Follow me. Now the first thing to realize is this is a trailer that's really lightweight. It's right in the mid-3s, so this is something that you can pull with an awful lot of vehicles without taking up too much room. It's pretty short and easy to get around with, easy to park. What I love about this trailer is that it's a queen walk-around bed with a dinette slide. It's got a rear bath, and that opens up this floor plan. It makes it so much more spacious in here. I really like that. And so the queen bed's here, this lifts up, there's a lot more storage right down there. You've got hanging storage on each side of the bed, and one thing that's really unusual about this, we'll see this when we go outside too, we've got a front window. Well, for years we haven't seen any front windows in trailers, very, very unusual. But if you have a front window, it just opens up a ton of space and light coming into the trailer. Plus you can see out that thing and you can see what's ever out there to see. It's really nice. So we've got a big dinette booth, and for an ultralight trailer this actually has a pretty deep slide. So you can sleep 4 adults in here, or seat 4 adults, 2 there for sleeping, 2 here for sleeping, plenty room for dining. They've got a microwave built in here, a stovetop, and a fridge freezer, both freezer and fridge, 2-door style, so you get a lot more refrigeration. Most of these ultralight trailers have very small single-door fridges, so it's nice to have that. Take a look at the bathroom. I mentioned earlier, by putting the bathroom at the back, I can really open up the entire floor plan and make it so much nicer in here. It's also got wardrobe space back there. Medicine cabinet. It's a really nice little rig. And then in here I want to show you, we've got an air conditioner right here, so that air conditioner and also the furnace in here are ample to keep this small space warm and comfortable. Also, it's good because it's made out of insulation. This coach has a solid bonded roof, floor, and sidewalls, and so it's all solid. There's no place up there for water to go into if you're wondering about how trailers react if you were to ever get a water leak. This one, the roof is solid. There's no place for water to even get in there, and I think that's a really, really big deal. Let's take a look around the exterior and I'll show you some other stuff. Follow me. Now this has a lot of features on it for a nice small ultralight, and one of the things I want to point out is, you know, I mentioned that we have a front window here. Also we have a 3/4, what's called a 3/4 cap. This is a full cap enclosure on the front that prevents from weathering and wind damage and things like that. That's what this is for. We have a diamond plate rock guard on the front also to reduce damage from rocks that are thrown up behind your vehicle. It's a small trailer, so it has a small propane bottle, and the big plus with this, of course, is lighter weight, so one bottle weighs less, and of course if you ever have to fill this up, it's a lot easier to carry around too. Over here we're going to take a look and see a big storage area all the way across. Small trailer with a lot of storage, a lot of room. I like this a lot. Okay, let's go around the other side. One thing you'll see on this trailer, it's really cool. They've gone to blue LED lights underneath your awning, and also these are your outside speakers. There's lighting on those. It's very attractive, and LED lights are great because they don't use a lot of battery power. So that's pretty nice. We come around this side. You see we've got the spare tire mounted on the back. Over here's an outside shower. We've got a removable shore cord, and this is a good idea because when I'm not using it, I can take it off the trailer and I don't have any little hole in the side of my trailer for that cord has to go in and out. Also, we have a sewer flush mechanism here, so it's easy to keep your black water tank clean. There's a lot more to talk about on this trailer, and I'd love to show it to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Matt.Elliott, and my number is 541-954-8495. Thank you for watching the video. You have a great day.